before we play. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa, and if you're new, then welcome. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to get this look right here, and it came together to look like this. So it's kind of like a frosted blue Christmas kind of look. To achieve this look, I also use just one palette, and I use another shade for this middle, and you'll be surprised at what I used because I was honestly a little shook when I used the silver. It's because I've never used this brand that much before, so I didn't think I was going to use it again after I bought it once, and I haven't even opened it, and I just thought maybe I'd use it, and honestly it's my favorite. It's silver. It's like brown with some blues and silver, but this is really easy to achieve, so if you guys want to see how to get this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. If you have any suggestions for me on any looks or anything else you guys want to see, then leave a comment down below, and don't forget to turn on those bell notifications so you see when I'm posting next. Alrighty guys, to start off this look, I'm going to pick up my Morphe M431 brush and grab the shade Punch Me from the James Charles palette and apply that all over my crease. Now I'm grabbing my Morphe M433 brush and I'm picking up the shade T, still using the same palette, and I'm going to focus that more into my crease just to create some definition, but I'm still going to blend upwards. To diffuse any harsh lines, I'm picking up that Morphe M441 brush again, and I'm just going over those two shades. Now I'm going to grab this flat concealer brush. I think I said this in the last video, but I got this brush from Michaels. Any thin flat brush will do. But I'm going to start cutting my crease now, and I'm going to go pretty far to the outer corner just so when I apply the blue shade next, it comes out as pigmented as possible. Now I'm going to grab this Morphe M147 brush, and I'm going to pick up the shade Cola, and I'm going to apply it to the outer corner of my eye and just pack it on there, and then I'm going to start applying that to the inner corner and pack it in there as well. Now I'm going to grab this Sigma E47 detail crease brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Playground, very lightly though, and I'm just going to go over the blue and the brown just to create a nice blend. Now I'm going to grab that Morphe M147 brush again and pick up the shade Cola just to re-intensify that color. Now I'm going to grab my Morphe E17 brush and just use that to blend out any harsh lines on the outer edges or around my eye if needed. Now I'm going to pick up this pencil side of a duo end brush, and I'm going to pick up the shade Cape Cod and apply that right next to Cola just to create a transition between these two colors and the next that we're going to put on in the middle. Now I'm grabbing this flat brush from Sephora, and I'm applying the top left light gray silverish kind of shade on the middle of my eye where I have that space left over. And like I said earlier, I was so shook when I applied this because it was so pigmented with like one swipe. Now I'm going to grab that pencil brush again and pick up a little bit more of that Cape Cod shade and add it where it was before just to re-intensify that color, since the silver did take it away just a little bit. Now to finish off the look, just add a thin layer of liner, some mascara, and your favorite pair of lashes, and you're all done. So here's the end result, the Christmas time frosted blue look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys enjoyed this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would love to see your guys' recreations if you do post any, and if you do, then go ahead and tag me, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.